This handheld steam cleaner boasts a powerful 2,500-watt motor that generates high-pressure steam, making it ideal for tackling tough grease and stains without the need for harsh chemicals. Equipped with a 42.27-ounce water tank, it provides a continuous steam output for up to 40 minutes, minimizing the need for frequent refills during cleaning sessions. The steam cleaner's compact size and extensive power cord and hose offer remarkable flexibility, allowing you to effortlessly clean a variety of surfaces, from kitchen counters to bathroom tiles. With a comprehensive range of attachments, this device excels not only in household cleaning, but also in car detailing, ensuring every nook and cranny is thoroughly cleaned. The practical accessory kit, which includes a variety of brushes and spatulas, enhances its versatility, making it suitable for cleaning everything from glass surfaces to upholstery. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing to ensure quality, so do not be concerned if you notice some water droplets upon first use, as this is part of the standard inspection process.